Hi, welcome to today's bite-sized creativity. I think you're gonna love it. And this time we're doing some fancy stars, and I wanted to show you a very easy 3-step process to design your own fancy stars. I'm going to draw it out here for you in a black marker, but actually you want to go straight into just drawing the pencil. So the black marker here, you can see you draw an oval shape or some sort of circular shape, and then inside that circular shape you want to connect your star so that its points are touching the circle. So that kind of gives you the shape that you want. And then you can go through and you can copy the shape of that fancy star into a star that doesn't have a circle around the outside, if that kind of makes sense. It makes it so that the star is moving and looks all organic and interesting, without kind of being too scared about messing it up. And then what I like to do is I like to use a watercolour pencil to do the outline of the star, and then fill the star in any colour you want really, and have some fun with it. So you can adjust the circle that you use. So again here, this is just the demonstration of how you would draw the star. Just in case you need to kind of see, or if I wanted to do a longer star, the circle really helps you kind of contain that shape. So have a go with this, change up the colours that you use and the circles that you design. These are great for sticking on little, what are they called, like label tags for presents and things like that, and really help to make your stars look a little bit fancy and a little bit more thought out, and add a little bit of personality into your presents. So just again, I want to show you, you can go in with, what we're doing is we're designing a circle. So I'll show you here with the marker. So any circle that you want, and then the 5 points of your star need to touch the outside of the circle. So the different types of circles you do are going to impact the way the stars are touching, the tips and the points of the stars. And then just use a watercolor pencil or go straight in with your paintbrush to copy the outline of the star that you've just designed. So in this case, I've put them on the same page, but you might want to have like a little scrap piece of paper with some circles and stars in it, and you might want to copy them onto a different separate piece of watercolor paper so you don't have both of the designs together. If you do happen to have a little bit of gold paint or silver paint, you want to go in, especially around about this time of year where everything's glitzy and glamorous, you want to go in with just a dab of the gold or silver after you have laid your watercolor down, but while it's still wet. And you'll see if you've got good quality silver or gold, it's going to spread into your color that way, and that will kind of give you a shimmery blue or a shimmery yellow or a shimmery red if you put the shimmery colors on the top of the watercolor that's already been laid down. I hope you've enjoyed this. I really want to see what you come up with and what kind of fancy star designs you come up with as well, so don't forget to share them with me and tag me in your post. I will see you next time.